Hello everyone. So in this video, we will install Cypress in the Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So first, we need to create the folder in your any location. So right now I am creating one folder um, on the desktop. Okay, automation. Okay, then open your Visual Studio Code and click on File, open folder and go to the desktop and there is automation folder. Just select this folder and click on select folder. Okay. After that, we need to click on terminal, new terminal. So here, so first command is npm init -y. Okay. So once we run the npm init -y, then at the time we will get package.json file. Okay. After that, we need to install the Cypress. Okay. So to install the Cypress, we need to type npm install cypress save dev and just click on enter. So once you type the npm install cypress save dev, then it will install the Cypress and it will store under the dev dependencies and it will automatically create the uh, node underscore modules these folders. So let's wait to complete the installation part. It will take some time to install complete Cypress in your Visual Studio Code. Once Cypress will be installed, then I will explain all the folder structure created by the Cypress. So by default, Cypress provides all the folder structure which will very important uh, for using our framework. Yeah, I think Cypress got installed and they have created node underscore modules and package log.json file. Okay, so just open the package.json file. You can see Cypress version 13.3.3 means they have installed latest version of Cypress. Okay, so now um, we have to run one command so that it will open the Cypress dashboard. Okay, so for that purpose, we need to type npx cypress open and just click on enter. So, so first time I am installing the Cypress. So for that purpose, it's giving this message. It look like this is your first time using Cypress. So it will open the Cypress dashboard. Okay, So just click on continue. So we have to just select E2E testing. Okay. So after that, let me just maximize. Just click on continue. Okay. So here we need to select any one of the browser. So here I am selecting Chrome browser and click on start E2E testing in Chrome. Then if suppose we want to take the example of Cypress, then select this one. Otherwise, you can click on create new spec. So right now I'm click on first one so that it will give some examples. Okay, just click on OK. I got it. So here you can see Cypress E2E. So you can click on any one of the features so that it will run. So let me click on first one to do cy.js. Okay. Okay. So our six scenarios got passed. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code. Then you can see this Cypress folder is automatically getting created. Okay. So they have provided these folder structures: downloads, E2E, fixtures, support. Okay. Cypress config.js. So we will learn means what is the purpose of all the folders structure. So in this video, we will talk about the explanation of all the folder structure. Okay, if suppose you want to write your scenarios, then under E2E folder, we need to write our test cases. So this is the purpose of E2E folder. Then next one is fixtures folder. If suppose we want to put our test data or locators like CSS selector or XPath, then we should use fixtures. Okay, and there is another support folder. If suppose we want to create our custom commands, then we should use this support folder. Okay, and if suppose you want to create uh, any .js files, like they have already created command.js file. Okay, so for the integration purpose we need to write, and they have already write import, and then single quotation they have given the path like dot forward slash commands. If suppose we want to create our own custom .js files like before.js, after.js, then we can create our own, and just we need to provide the uh, that folder path. Like if suppose we have created before.js, then just type import in single quotation dot forward slash before. Okay, so in this video uh, we have just completed all the folder structure, and in the next video uh, I will try to write one scenario using the Cypress with BDD framework, because as mostly in live project uh, they are using Cypress with BDD. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching.